Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Anil Tari.
And where do you stay?
I stay in Borivali West near MHB Colony.
And how old is your child?
I have one daughter who is 10 years old and my son is 6-year-old.
Okay, so what kind of institutes were you looking out for them?
See, both of them are studying in Rustomjee, Cambridge, which is which is affiliated to a Cambridge University, and studies are really IGCSE curriculum with very challenging studies. So obviously, to support them and to have a very good understanding about or the fast pace of learning, and as well as having the right calculative methods and all. So we are looking for a support in terms of where they can learn and carry out their, especially the maths part. They can carry out very fast. That was the whole intention.
Okay.
That's what we are looking for.
So what are the options you considered for the same?
We will see the options, typical options where obviously one will always look for a typical classes which happens for which cover your curriculum. But we were looking beyond that, because anyhow the things which are taught in the class, if they can really practice, they can really take care of that. But at the same time, how the whole process can become more simple, and faster. That's what we are looking for.
Okay.
And so we thought of having, why not to have courses like UCMAS. We have heard about it, wherein or we also heard about this abacus principles and all, wherein you can do your maths, simple maths very faster, so that whenever you will get into tomorrow, whenever my kids will get into a complex maths or algebra or geometry portion, so the basic maths concept should be clear and they should be doing very fast. That was the whole idea, and that's why we're looking for some kind of a UCMAS course or abacus course.
So why did you choose Brain Hub?
Frankly, from the Brain Hub point of view, we checked on the website. So there was some good feedback about it. But apart from that, we were not really aware, and we checked in our area. The options. There were institutes which were covering UCMAS, but then of course, from our colleagues, from our neighbors, the people in this vicinity, they spoke about Brain Hub, and that's why we came here.
Okay. So with your experience, could you highlight two good things about Brain Hub?
One good thing is the attention. Okay, what I can notice is the teachers are really aware and they are able to give us a feedback at a most transactional level, and not a general feedback sometime. Whenever even we come back with some kind of a queries, asking them why my daughter or my son is not doing well in a particular portion, or why they are struggling, they are specifically aware. They immediately, rather than looking at here and there or checking for something, they can immediately answer, okay, why that is happening and what is the measure they have taken to correct it. So many a times the approach is also very proactive. Generally the classes are on a weekends, but suddenly the teacher comes back, calls and says, I wanted to, can you call your son or daughter on Wednesday, wherein I want to take an extra class just because, I feel like he needs special attention, he or she needs special attention. That is something, really appreciable.
Okay. And would you have any suggestions for Brain Hub?
Obviously, one is, I always feel like, this space, the space, there could be some kind of a constraint. I think there are there is a lot of awareness about abacus and UCMAS, and there are a lot of students who are coming here. So what I'm seeing is, sometimes it may become a cramp. I'm seeing, now they are slightly expanded, they are taken more space, but surely I think that will need improvement. In terms of studies, I'm seeing, there is a lot of ample support which comes in, so there are no specific comments on that.
Okay. So how likely are you to recommend Brain Hub to other parents on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest?
It's very likely, you can rate it at 4 or 5. You can always, in fact, I keep recommending it. With my recommendation, there are a couple of parents who they are already sending their kids to this process. So it's very recommendable.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.